Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some tips and exercises that will help you with your double loop. So let's get to it. So first exercise is very helpful in making your takeoff very explosive. So we are just jumping on our takeoff leg, and then we're just trying to stretch both legs into the air, and then we're just going to repeat one after another. So we're jumping up, stretching, 3 turn, and then going again. So jumping from the takeoff leg, stretching, and then 3 turn and repeat again. And as always, our arms and our shoulders are in the same line as our hips, and when we're in the air, they pull in together. Also very important is to keep your posture nice and straight. You don't want to be arching anywhere or slouching anywhere. Our weight is a little bit in front of our knees, like in everything that we do. So just make sure that your posture is nice and straight and your core is nice and strong. Arms and shoulders are in the same line as your hips. Next exercise is a little hop or single loop into a back scratch. So again, your arms and shoulders are in the same line as your hips, and then our arms are not so tight as we are jumping in the air. They can be a little bit loose, and then once we land and go into the back scratch, our arms come tightly to our body, and so do our legs. You want to make your legs as tight as you can here so that you get that feeling of the rotation. And next up is single loop, single loop, single loop combination. So this is just going to make your jumping leg much stronger and make your takeoff much more explosive and just give you the strength to have enough height, because as you know, for a double you need more height than a single. And you also want to make sure that whenever you are going for the next jump, you are opening to the right side, so try not to open to the left side. Also making sure that everything is in line, posture is good, and you're jumping as high as you can. So last exercise before we go to the double loop is a single loop and then hop into the back scratch. So really making sure that you are landing on time in the single loop and really making sure that you're opening to the right so you're not over rotating the landing and then just making it hard to get into the hop back scratch. Also, another great exercise which I didn't include is a single loop and then into double loop combination. This is really going to help you get that good knee bend before the loop and also make your takeoff more explosive. Now onto the double loop. So really apply all the rules. Your shoulders and arms are in line, you have a good knee bend, posture is good, and you're jumping higher than in a single and you're rotating faster. You really want to pull in for this double, and you want to make sure that you have enough speed, so take a little bit more than you would for a single. So that is it for today. Hope you guys liked that video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!